So friends, if you are using PhonePe application and if you want to know how to change UPI pin in PhonePe application for any particular bank, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now see, the very first step you have to do is just simply open PhonePe application in your mobile phone and complete the login process. Once the login is complete, this is how the homepage will look like. Now, if you want to change UPI pin for any particular bank, then for that, just simply select the profile option on the left hand side top corner. On the next page, you can check out your mobile number, you can check out QR for different banks. And in order to change UPI pin, you have to go down and select bank accounts option. Once you select bank account option, all the banks which are linked to PhonePe application will be listed over here. Basically, you have added those bank account and now you can see there are multiple bank account in my PhonePe application. I want to change UPI pin for IDFC First Bank application. I don't remember the pin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select that particular bank, and on the next page in UPI pin option, it gives me two more options. One is change and another one is reset. In change, what will happen is if you select change, it will ask me to enter 4-digit old UPI pin. So if you remember your old UPI pin but still you want to change or you want to create new UPI pin, then in that case you can select the change option. But if you don't remember your UPI pin, in that case you can select reset option. Now on the next page, you get two options. One is Aadhaar number and another one is debit card. So if you don't have debit card with you, then all you can do is you can use Aadhaar option to reset your UPI pin. But if you have debit card of IDFC Bank or whichever bank you have selected, if you have debit card for that, then you can select debit card option and you can go ahead. So I'll select debit card over here, and on the next page it is asking me to enter last 6 digit of card. So I'm going to enter the last 6 digit. I'm going to enter the expiry, and after that we are going to continue. I have entered the card details. Let's tap on continue option. Now on the next page, it is asking me to enter 6-digit OTP. So you will receive an OTP on your registered number. You have to enter the OTP over here and go ahead. I have entered the OTP. Let's tap on next option, and now you can see it is giving me an option to set 4-digit UPI pin. So over here you can set the new pin. I have entered new pin. Let's tap on next option. Now again it is asking me to confirm 4-digit UPI pin. So you have to enter the new pin once again. Once you are done, tap on done option, and now you can see UPI pin is set. So this is how simple it is to change UPI pin or to reset UPI pin in PhonePe application. And you can do the same thing for other bank as well. You just have to select that particular bank for which you don't remember your UPI pin, and then you can go ahead. So yes, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.